you speak Tongjiang. How many language do you speak?
And 3. Diak.
Diak. Tongo.
English, Dinka, and a little German.
Oh, ketene. So
Juba Arabic. Kalam Arabic شوية.
So your Dinka is way more better than your German?
Aye.
So somebody is asking, how long did it take you to be fluent in Dinka? So you that smart, wow. Want to man Jack Ping? Want to?
He's genius, you know. That's being genius.
So from different culture to a new culture, were there challenges?
No.
Food?
And I thought good. Natada sida kumalokumbo kukumania.
Say combo.
Kubamia.
You say combo.
You know what? I need my gubby to do the same shit you like the same you do as well, you know. I have Nyantrukani, that's the only girl I love, you know. The only lady I know.
Majid don't bro. You walk alone yet you Majid can
He knows me. I've been speaking like Tukana Kasha shit, but I'm dating Tukana, you know. Yeah, I'm dating like there's a Kenyan, you know.
Oh, okay.
That's from Turkana. This is my homeboy. We've been like we grow up in Turkana. Oh, the balong Kakuma, ngej.
Ajoga.
So Matarabo. So Kuti aneng yan diene Turkanin gogea min tige jalan pejaban pan Amerika. Anto pan Amerika man.
Oh, you in America?
Anto pan Amerika man.
Don't know.
Ayu jola berukang tong Turkana jola kwan jola kilioga mui. Cuma mui duma na lo ya kiliong dui jol nga. Ina loel. Kula kiliong dui jol nga ka loel kiliong di wun mit ku ini jola kiliong.
Oh, okay.
Somebody is asking a question, Charlie Bajalanyal. The first time you try combo, how did it go with you?
And a man rich.
In my rich. Okay.
Rich cepat.
Combo ring, ring. Combo ring kurai.
Nah, and yara guam.
Okay.
Oh.
So you before you start cooking combo. So what do you cook combo with? Ring? Aquam?
Gum.
Oh, okay.
Ring talk.
Okay. Can you?
Ring talk.
Aye.
So rai banya le wage kuka ke banayega tal.
Oh, wow. Manir, can you do kisira?
Huh?
Can you do kisira, Ayod?
But the pan a little.
You can get it on Amazon.
Yeah, yes.
Amazon.
Oh.
But it's that pananti. It's that pananti.
Okay, I see. So, what are the challenges you face sometime?
Don't know.
Jiang culture. Kawinela ting de kola achelo. No, I'm not talking about Pande. I'm talking when before she get married to Sudanese. I'm not talking to her to share her personal life. I'm talking to her when she was a girl.
Yeah, so the culture of Jane.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not what she's facing in her household. I don't care. That's her own business. What I'm asking if she can recommend any other girl from different countries to marry South Sudanese man. That's what I'm saying.
I can advise somebody to go with the South Sudanese men, but the good thing about South Sudanese is Moindia a third by Louis Kamit red coin coin. That's what is good about Moindia. But some chatting, they don't help with the kids, they don't, they bula lois kuben by kubulaning. But apart Moindia bula lois kuben by ye coinaya.
Jack Pink, Aluel Kitchen, Rur Kajan. Moinde different. Can a Rur Cocker? Aluel a tongue Rur Kajan, Kitchen Rur Kajan, can carry command. A tongue near cocked or be chicken. Yeah, Rur Kajan, they are entitled cake, actually, Buckle kitchen it. Actually, baking actually baking in tea to meet. So take and a create been so don't rule kitchen, chocolate which it wine, come what a chilo malbucket. Chocolate which a year, come what a chip in a chiwa. So that's why Chen Rur Kajan, Chen cake recommended. Don't call it cocker. But the tongue when the cake and communication then when they do all that, na lo ka kitchen come when they tien yen meat na lo ikene come when they lo ikene. That's why Chen Rur Kajan Chen K recommended.
But now
okay.
Yeah, by jogging. Okay, now when the okay.
Yeah, that's what she said. When they recommend it on wait. Man, you say when do I recommend and South Sudanese man I take a dear judge. Man, when do not let you like a ping by then. Hey Louis, na Louis a particular role, can Louis flip. Now Wago take Kayan at Chiguala, a lot for that like a theatre. Now let you like a ping by then when do a guy like a lawyer could like a car. Can you have a second? Can you have a wife? Levaniar? Levaniar banang ko wife.
But banang tiang mo do.
Ako jam to English. Jam to
Can you have can you like if the same shit your man do to you, your husband, and then like a girl came up, and then do you like to have a co-wife?
La na tiang tok.
Cái về đó anh
Cái tiếng tôi không biết
I think then tiang tok.
Và đai cái này well tiếng Europe for that tiếng nói trôi trong món dạng ở cái
ladies down there they'll pick you up,
but now trong món dạng sen cho pe ai đã dốt còn đau với cục bụng vậy
cô yang
cha bớt dốt những trong món dạng
nga wis mo india quen na luende yang alo yo
ato jing le ira jo le na lo dio
fidela
kuma ji ka chia dio jadi kuma ji chia dio to na je dio bu lo ben kuma ji chia da dio gani ato bla runga to daro jadi ala runga to daro ena mo indu ne mun min ku man ko ngo ne kimi dio ba tan ngu wi ji be lu na lo runga tengwan kudi kai ki ni ji be lu ya ji be lu ji be di to ku jeng ngane de ngane ma jadi
Charlie. Charlie.
When they
Alwele.
go 50-50.
Charlie.
When they
Alwele.
attack for and I just the German jet with them. I just over the one week. For 5 years in them. While long as you meeting the other Baba. You know, when you're way more.
Yang aja nyai.
You're way more.
Akoi, aye alwele Charlie. Alwele mo India. Kia ta ya ta. Wo take 50-50. Kuya nani jam tong jiang kara nyan bu mo India gare. Ba jo mo ni na no. Chandel punde ba tingi. Na ye nyam bu gar tong jiang ma ka ba tingi mu ye god. Na ko ya ba ko ja ba tingi no.
Còn cái tiếng là lưỡi mùi control. Anh luôn cái gì đó.